The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time a mother duck was waiting for her eggs to hatch. The eggs were white, all except one. Soon the eggs began to hatch, and the duck became a proud mother of 5 little ducklings. But one egg remained. Finally the last duckling hatched. But he was different from the other ducklings. Why are you different? Nobody loves me because I am different. The ugly duckling left home to look for a place he belonged. He came across some other birds, but they did not want to be friends with such an odd-looking duckling. You look strange. You're ugly. An old woman found the duckling and put him in her hutch. The woman's hen warned the duckling that she planned to eat him. The poor duckling escaped and hid in some reeds. He saw some beautiful birds fly above him, and he wished that he was like them. Winter came and the little duckling was cold. But a farmer found him and kept him safe until the spring. When spring came, the farmer took the duckling to the pond and released him. Something wonderful had happened. The duckling had grown into a beautiful swan. He soon made lots of new friends and was the most beautiful swan of them all.